Okay, today we're going to repair this solder joint that broke. This is on a garage door remote control. First, we'll remove the battery. Here's the tools and supplies we'll use. We're using some lead-free rosin core solder, 96% tin, 4% silver, $4. Buy it at your local big box store. So let your soldering iron heat up. While it's heating up, I'm going to use a binder clip to push that contact back down. So my soldering iron is nice and hot now. You'll notice that the tip of my soldering iron has been cleaned. I gently sanded it with some sandpaper. You always want to keep the tip of your soldering iron clean. We'll then grab a little bit of our lead-free rosin core solder. I'll try to get in a good position so you can see what I'm doing here. And when you touch the solder to that joint or to the tip of even the soldering gun, it should immediately start to melt. If it doesn't, it's not hot enough yet. And this is a little circuit board, so I want to be very careful not to overheat it and damage it. I'm going to be really delicate. All I'm trying to do is just put a little bead of solder on that joint. And there we go. That's it. And we'll let that cool off for a minute. Once it cools off, then I'll take the binder clip off and it should be good to go. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.